In this video, I'm going to show you how to open File Manager on any smart TV. So this means that we can open it on all or both Android, Samsung, Fire Stick, Tizen OS, and the likes. So I have in here this document that documents the actual step-by-step process. So if you have an Android TV or Google TV, you can open the pre-installed file manager that it has. Just go over to your home screen, select the Apps section, and then look for File Manager, File Explorer, or Files option. Open it to browse internal or external storage. Next option is to install File Manager if it doesn't come pre-installed. You can open the Google Play Store on your TV and search for Explore File Manager or FX File Explorer or File Commander. Install the app and launch it from your app section and you should be able to actually explore all the files that you currently have on your TV. If you have a Samsung Smart TV with Tizen OS, you can use USB file access. Plug in a USB flash drive or external HDD, and it will auto-launch the media player, and you can use the media player to access videos, music, and photos. Now you can also install by a Smart Hub. However, this one is limited. Press the home button on your remote and go to apps and try searching for apps like File Explorer. You can also use the Samsung SmartThings app to browse content from your phone. Now in here, for the Fire TV or Fire Stick, you can open the pre-installed file manager if it's available. It's under the settings, My Fire TV, and developer options. Enable the app from unknown sources and search for this three file managers option right here. Install from the Amazon App Store or sideload using a downloader app. Now using the downloader app, you can download it from the App Store, open it and enter the APK URL, download and install the file manager, and open and browse your internal or external storage. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.